What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Today we'll be doing an unboxing on what I consider to be the best bang for buck laptop out there, the HP Pavilion 2020. Let's get this done. So why I consider this to be the best bang for buck laptop is because of the specs, and for under $900 at the time of recording this video, what you get and for the price point is amazing. So let's go over the specs of the laptop. The model number is HP 15CS3073CL. It has the all-new 10th gen i7, the 1065G7. It's a 1.3 gigahertz processor that turbos up to 3.9 gigahertz. We have 16 gigabytes of RAM at 2666 megahertz, a 1 terabyte regular hard drive, which should probably be upgraded to an SSD, a 15.6 inch IPS 1080p monitor, the all-new Wi-Fi 6 AX200, an integrated gigabit Ethernet LAN, an SD card reader, and has a claimed 8-hour battery life. And of course, it runs Windows 10. Alright, let's get to opening this laptop. Put some more tape here. The box is very uninteresting. The first thing, in this compartment we have a power brick with the power cable for it, and there is some information about the product. Over here there is a quick starter guide. Pull this out. The laptop, and a few more things popped up. Warranty information. Put this aside. The laptop. This is the type of foam I like. Nice, squishy, doesn't break when it gets hit. Unlike styrofoam. The packaging does seem cheap, but then you are getting a lot for the laptop. Alright, take this out. So the laptop feels very nice in the hand. It seems very sturdy. A nice aluminum unibody design. The protector from the inside to protect the screen from scratches. And the laptop is very beautiful. The bezels seem very nice and thin. The keyboard, nice click to it. It's not bad. The laptop feels nice in the hand. The laptop is made out of aluminum. Very nice and sturdy. There's not much flex to the screen, which I like. And if you were to push on it, it feels good. It has a little flex to the screen, but it's not so pronounced. I like when we lift the screen hinge up, it tilts the laptop up just a little bit. That allows air to come in and cools the processor, so you have the most amount of performance you can get out of this laptop. Alright, so let's go over the ports that it comes with. So over here we have the power port to charge the laptop, 2 super speed USB 3.0 ports, an SD card reader, and a Kensington lock. On the other side we have a combo jack for headphone microphone, a USB Type-C port, HDMI, and RJ45 Ethernet. So this port here will get you gigabit Ethernet, so if you have that fast internet, are connected here via the wire. So open this up. I love the style of the speaker grill. It's up and down, a whole bunch of different directions. It looks nice and feels nice. The trackpad is nice and big. It has the NVIDIA MX250. It's not an impressive graphic card, but it will help with your video renderings. You can do some very light gaming, some of the very old games. Maybe you can play some games at low to mid settings, but this is mainly a work machine. Let's see if it has some power. It powered on. We hear it coming alive. Something that piqued my interest about this laptop is the style of it. The IPS display. IPS is just a type of display that gives you one of the best colors. There are other displays like TN, which, if you've noticed, some of the older laptops or some of the cheaper laptops, if you look at an angle, the color starts to wash away. It doesn't look as good. You have to look at it straight on. The view angles are not as great. With IPS, you have basically 180-degree views. You can look at an angle and it will still look as good as looking straight at it. And that's why whenever I'm shopping for any like monitors or laptops, I make sure that it has at least an IPS display. Other things I like about it, it has 10th gen i7 at this price point, which is, I think, is phenomenal. Things I dislike about the laptop. I hate glossy displays. Granted, glossy displays tend to have better color, but I don't like it because in direct light it becomes very hard to see.
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Hi,
and I'm here to
Cortana.
help a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for...
And a touch of mute there. Another thing I dislike about the laptop is it doesn't have an SSD. It's 2020, guys. Which should be the standard. Solid state drives have no mechanical parts, therefore they are faster. And you'll get better boot times when you turn on the computer. And whenever you're opening up softwares, it opens up just like that. In the end, at the price point, it's great. You can always grab a $40 SSD, clone it, slap it in, and you'll get phenomenal performance. With the 8-hour battery life and the i7 powering it, I can see this to be a very, very productive instrument. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like. If you guys want to see future videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified first when that video comes out. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything you want me to do, drop it in the comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.